Class, you have survived 3 levels. Today, level 4. The public servant doctrine. Once you understand this doctrine, you will never see a mailman the same way again.
Who is a public servant, class? Simple test. Paid by taxes? Public servant. Paid by tips? Public servant with extra steps. Everyone, class, everyone serves the public, which means everyone answers to you.
Sir, you deliver for a federal entity. That makes you a federal agent. Am I being detained right now?
You, Jason, sign here.
You, Jason? This is not over.
Anything with federal in the name, class. Federal buildings, federal agents, Federal Reserve, Federal Express. Legal is still checking on that last one, but the doctrine is clear. When in doubt, audit now, realize later.
Federal employee, postal servant. I pay your salary, sir, which means you work for me.
You want your neighbor's package? It ended up in your bin again.
Yes, please. Thank you. He complied. Municipal servant. You are paid by the city, which means I pay your salary, which means you answer to me.
You paid for the can, buddy, not me.
Deflecting. Note the time.
So who answers to you, class? The mailman, the teller, the librarian, the man who empties your can. When in doubt, call a public servant. Realize your mistake later, on camera. The post office, class, is the mothership, but the bank is the gold mine. You film the customers, you wait, you beg an employee to come out and ask what you are doing, and then you ignore them. You act weird, real weird. They call that suspicious. We call it monetized.
Sir, polite with smile. Can I help you with something?
You seem nervous. Are you okay? This is for my 2 million viewers. Suspicious? No. Monetized.
Government building. Public servants as far as the eye can see.
Ma'am, are you detaining these people with a number system?
You're B47, it'll be a while.
Thank you. They process you like cattle, folks. You operate a public transit vehicle. That makes you a public servant, which means this ride is a public service, which means it is free.
$2.25 or step off.
I am paying under protest.
Pay under whatever you want, just pay.
This, folks, is an unconstitutional checkpoint. He is stopping traffic. Under what authority?
The school, dear. Do you need to cross?
No, I am filming the corruption. A federal land agent. This is public land, which means it is my land, which means you are on my property, sir.
It's a city park. Restrooms are by the lot if you need them.
He is trying to move me to a secondary location. Ma'am, you are a state actor. This is a public institution. I have every right to document. Shh. That is suppression of the press. In constitutional checkpoint in a public building, you cannot search me without a warrant.
Bins for your keys and phone. Walk through.
I am complying under duress.
It's your belt buckle, man.
Oh, right.
Now the security guard, the rent-a-cop, that is not authority, class. That is a costume. A costume with a flashlight. He has the jurisdiction of a scarecrow. And like a scarecrow, he only frightens the weak-minded.
This badge, sir. This badge says security in Comic Sinks. You have the jurisdiction of a scarecrow.
You gotta leave, man.
Make me. You legally cannot.
And if the rent-a-cop gives chase, class, do not run. You walk briskly, because his Segway tops out at 12 miles an hour, and he is unpaid past 6 p.m. Time, class, is on your side.
Subject is in pursuit. High-speed chase in progress. He cannot catch me. His Skegwing tops out at 12 miles an hour.
It's my break in 10 minutes anyway.
The people are watching, officer! People ask me, Fred, can you FOIA a mall cop? I tried once. I submitted a formal request for his incident report. He gave me 1 page, torn from a spiral notebook, in pencil. I had it framed. It hangs in my hallway.
Now here is an advanced technique. When you have a good scene going, it is not out of the question to call the cops on yourself. Tell them it is an emergency, and it is an emergency, class. You are losing the light.
White sweat, Kurt.
And when you call the cops on yourself, class, and 14 units respond, that is not an overreaction. That is 14 camera angles, 14 body cams on a Tuesday for free. Steven Spielberg wept. I have seen it.
Is this thing on? Is this thing on?
That is my body cam, sir.
Good. Good. So is mine.
Cut. Hang on. Okay, this time you come in from the left. More urgency. You got this. And action.
Can we do that again?
Now, field report. There are others out there, class. This gentleman calls himself Chunky Cholo Audits. He records people. He antagonizes. He says, quote, keep it moving. We do not claim him. Even we have standards. And that is saying something. That concludes level 4, class, the public servant doctrine. Go now. Serve the public by making the public serve you. Level 5 is next. It involves a drone. Bring water.